First off, thanks to Gary, Paul, Stephen, who told me of a world exclusive video 2 days after my video was on YouTube. Oh well, can't do much about that. I don't know what to say. Maybe it's an exclusive for England only. Maybe that's it. I don't know, can't answer, I'm not that bothered. And thank you for reporting it to YouTube. I don't think it was necessary, but cheers anyway. So we're looking at Jerry, more importantly, as a base station. That's what it's about. It's not part one of 987 videos, it's part one of one. Got a modified base stand from Connector in Poland with the coax coming out the back, so you can run it as a base station off an external antenna. Running the President mic, which goes into the top socket, and underneath we're running, also from Connector, President speaker. So we can listen live to not much going on currently. Got a killer ANL on this radio, on AM, the automatic noise limiter, works really great. Got no issues with that, it really does work well. Even the voice, really smoke. Funny time of year here, we've got skipped literally to Balakovo, Saratov, and across to Bishkek. So going east from here, 1500, 4,500, we have skipped west to EU, UK, for example, or Germany, or anywhere else. We don't have at the moment, so we have to hang around and wait. But as you see, speaker mic, no, this is just a normal mic. Alinco do a similar version that works on it as well, but it's a dual speaker and a mic, and we would prefer to use this one. If you don't have much space at home, perfect. As you see behind, we have a HP 82. We're going to have a play around with that again soon. But really, you get a Randy 3, less price, less functions. I'll go out there and say I think this radio is for like the Thunderpole TX and PNI and Jopix market, maybe. Probably wrong. Probably got a horse's head sent to me in the post, but I think it's to have a President quality radio, less features, good price, in a market which has been saturated with the 4 or 5 that are already out there, which are obviously built on a Randy 3 technology. I think it's plain for everybody to see that it's not an original, it's a copy. So President have made a good one here again. I'm not so sure about the 6 Roger bleeps, is that necessary? I don't know. Probably people want them, but I prefer that one personally. Key beep, eco mode, tone, have it on a minus. Emergency channels, dual watch, scan skip, reset. One color display. Perfect, don't need much else. I will be running this one more so as a base station to see how it goes for a while. You can still use the Randy 3 charger. Plugs into the back, just there. Receiver is very, very akin to a Randy 3. So everything is built on it. It's just the firmware different. No CT, CSS, no DCS, no repeat, as far as I know. What do you want? It's a good radio for the price. I mean, you get what you pay for. It's chunky, heavy, and that's about it. That's my 4 minutes. It's not part one of 800, and tomorrow I'll show you a battery. None of that. Days are gone for that sort of thing. Don't need it. You just need a straight to the point. And the straight to the point is well made, heavy in the hand, fits in the Randy 3 case. All the accessories work. whether it be docking station, drop plug-in charger from a Randy 3, just plug straight in. You can buy them online, doesn't come with it, comes with car kit, so you need a charger. All is dead simple. And by trying it out with the external mic, sounds fantastic. Sound is the same as a Barry, sound is the same as a Bill. It's even pretty akin the sound transmitted audio on FM to a George. Nobody would know that you're on a handheld if you're running it as a base station. Sounds just the same as a big President. So I'm out of here. Catch you later. Enjoy the video.